to my kitchen. I'm going to be doing a very simple pasta, taco pasta today. I love taco anything, but this is very good, very simple to make. It's one of those meals you come in from outside working or from school. This is a good school meal after the kids get home. They're wanting something good to eat. And it doesn't take any time to make it. So let's get started. I have got a pound of ground beef frying up, and I cooked 1 pound of pasta. Now, you can use any kind of pasta you want, okay? So you can use any of it you want. I like little ones when I do this. And I will have the recipe all posted down below with the right ingredients and all that when we're finished, but you're not going to see garlic in it. But I like garlic, you know me, I love my garlic, so I'm putting garlic in it. I'm using 3 garlic cloves, as a matter of fact. So I just like the garlic in anything I'm making Mexican. So we're going to do that. And then after I get my pasta cooked, and I'll add that in with all my other goodies. But get my garlic cut up first. Can you believe I went to use garlic the other day and I didn't have any? I was like, that's withdrawals. Not to have garlic. My husband went and got some, and then when he got home, he got the knife and everything, and he sat down and he says, I'll clean it. So he did. I usually keep a small jar in the refrigerator, but he cleaned a big one. He cleaned all of it at one time. So anyway, I guess I'll be using a lot of garlic to get that down. But I like garlic, and garlic is good for you. So I'm going to add my garlic in with my hamburger, and then I'm going to give them a stir it so it don't burn, because garlic will burn real quick. So, but I'm going to get that frying up, and this is a really simple. I always taught these to my sister last week, and we had gone to visit our brother. He's very, very ill in the hospital, and I would ask you for your prayers for him. His name is Dean. They transferred him from Lima, Ohio to Toledo, and now they're getting ready to send him to Cleveland Clinic. Don't have any idea how that's going to come out, but I'm scared. Anyway, if you would pray for him when you're praying, I appreciate it. I have to laugh because Tina and I were sitting there going over recipes, and we got a couple of really good ones that I'm going to be doing pretty soon. I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. I've got to get some Thanksgiving recipes, side dishes out here. Okay, I'm using 1 pack of, I'm talking and not paying attention to what I'm doing. 1 pack of taco seasoning I'm mixing in this. And to keep it from sticking and burning, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes with my little peppers cut up in them. Just take that off 1 can, and it's a 10-ounce can. So put that in there and let this simmer a little bit. And get all this married together there. Now, if you want, you can do a double batch, because this isn't a real big batch of it, but you could do a double one real easy. Then we're going to add 1 can of corn, like my can, I have frozen corn. I'm going to use mine. If you've got your canned goods when we're doing these shows, don't use what you have to go to the store and buy. Use what you've already got, because trust me, it's going to be better. And you know what's in it. Then I'm going to add 1 can of black beans that I've already rinsed and drained. And this. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, yum, yum. That smells delicious. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water so this can simmer and bring all those flavors together. Yeah, with school starting and mothers having to work and get the kids to school, this is a real good dish that's simple and they're going to love it. I mean, it's wonderful. We'll let that simmer for a little bit. And then I'm going to add my pasta. Yes, I should have had a bigger skillet. I do that all the time, and I know it's not going to be big enough, and I use it anyway. I told my husband, I said, this skillet won't be big enough, but we're going to use it. Get all that stirred up together, and it would have been so much easier if I had a big skillet. And I've got a whole bunch of them down there. I am adding 1 more can of the tomatoes and peppers because I need it. And you'll know when you're doing it if you need to add something else to your pan. And use a bigger skillet than I'm using. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer for about 8 minutes, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, I think this should be, oh my goodness, does that smell yummy. Oh, wow. Now you can serve this, just this by itself, like this, or you can cook rice and serve it with rice over under it, this over rice. I'm going to attempt to try not to make a mess and dump this in my pasta bowl. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish you all could smell this. I started saying something about my sister, and I was looking at recipes. We were picking out some good recipes for Thanksgiving dinner. So I do have some to bring you. And I've got to get them done real quick here because it's going to be Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, does that smell yummy? It just, oh. Now, you can use cheddar cheese on top of it if you'd like. And of course, that'll drip down in it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so yummy. I got to taste. Got to burn my mouth. Oh, I did that the other day. Oh, yeah. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Anyway, I will be bringing you some more good recipes. But the other day, I made a video of it too, my beef stew. And would you believe, I had it on cooking, you know, that's something you cook forever. And I had it going, and I didn't realize, I'd forgot how hot the potatoes get on the inside. And, you know, not just outside. And would you believe, I stuck a bite in my mouth, and when I bit into the potato, it was hot. So what do? I swallow it. Oh my goodness. Don't ever do that. Get rid of it, because I burnt my throat. And boy, did that hurt. I mean, come on. How crazy can I be? But I did. Add a few more pieces of cheese. I'm going to serve it today with nachos. I think they will be great with it. So, but that's what I get for taking a bite and not thinking before I do it. I guess I deserve to get burnt from it. But it hurt. It still bothers me. And that's been about 3 days ago. So, anyway, a nice dish for after school. If you have any left over, which you won't, you can use it for the next 3 days, I would say. After that, well, I don't think anybody's going to have any that long. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, yummy. Okay. I guess I can quit eating right now for a minute and talk to y'all. Get a drink and rinse my mouth out. There. Thank you. We appreciate all of you. We love you. And we want to bring you some more videos for side dishes for Thanksgiving. And then, believe it or not, it's Christmas. I mean, come on. It's just, everything seems to be going so fast right now. So we hope that everybody's well. And we hope that everybody has a great Thanksgiving. And have a good week also. And thank you so much for the cards and the little notes you send. They mean so much to us. And we love you all. And we thank you bunches for being with us.